to my 17th month of year. I want to show you a secret hack. Again, I haven't given away, but if you're studying you can catch me. Yep, let's hit a drone. Can I jump to the drone? Actually, no, I'll just take out a person. Actually, no, do this.
Arriving by degrees.
I brought opinions and zero data. Want to split something to eat?
Legs on autopilot.
I'm
Brain on
powered by
airplane.
vibes and caffeine.
If we get lost, it's a personality
Got a minute to
trait.
breathe? Shortcut? Maybe next time. Not rushing, just going. Turn left for no reason.
Keep going.
Sneakers sounding confident.
Good
I
enough.
want it faster. The emails can't find me.
Continuing patrol.
Oh, access. I'm dropping off your package.
Give me the short version.
You have a
first.
package? I'm bringing it. I should probably bring something easy. I want to be a delivery seagull. The delivery bird.
Good pace today.
I'm going to deliver boxes.
Sidewalk and cafe smells
Ow.
dangerous. Corners feel friendly today. Straight ahead.
I'm going to sell boxes.
Down the
Deny airspace now. Aye. Hold then fire. Cover my push.
The cops are trying to get me. Luckily I'm flying though. Just jump the bus.
Eyes open! But we're done!
There's some big there. We've got to go.
Clouds remain non-compliant. Marshmallow. Proceeding.
Strutting like a house.
If I trip, it's performance art.
Eyes up, pace on.
No rush.
Mind wandering, feet
Walking
don't.
like the main character's understudy.
If confidence were
Pace.
heels, I'd be taller.
No destination, just direction. Skipping levels like choices.